Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasic. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Uber driver pension account. Before getting started, let me tell you that Uber driver pensions are currently only available for drivers in the United Kingdom. So if you are a driver in the UK, then you likely won't need a separate login for your Uber driver pensions. Here's how you can easily access your pension. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and type in nowpensions.com and search. Now Pensions is a provider for Uber driver pensions in the United Kingdom. Once you get to the official website, click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Now select the options that best describes you. If you are an employee, click on the employee/member option. Click the login button following through the prompts and then enter your credentials in the login area on the next page. Enter the email address or contract ID in the text box. Now go ahead and enter your password for your account and then click on the login button in order to access your pension account as an Uber driver. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.